Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can repeat old songs in the current view or playlist in Apple Music on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, open up your Apple Music. In here, you want to go down and tap on Library. Next, open up your playlist or artists or albums. So I'm going to open up a playlist. In here, go and select a playlist. So here I've got IT Jungle's music playlist. Open it up. Then open up a song to play. Now tap on your music player. Open up the music player. In here, tap on this button here to make sure it is highlighted. Once the playlist button is highlighted, you can see at the top here there is a repeat button. That is the 2 arrow going in the circle. So tap on that. Now when you tap on that, it will toggle between off, repeat, and repeat 1. Now you want to make sure it is highlighted with the repeat without the number 1. This will allow your music player to repeat all the songs in the list. If you see there is a number 1 in the icon, that means it will keep repeating the same song over and over again. It will not repeat all the songs. So you want to make sure it does not show the number 1, and you want to make sure it is highlighted. This will allow the music app to repeat all the songs in the list. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.